Make a great choice today with the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.